Today we're going to talk about the Unity supplement. We at the Best for You have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before purchasing the Unity dietary supplement. Overweight is the frustrating problem that makes your life out of shape. If you are here, then this problem may have affected you and keep you in the fighting phase. Therefore, if you are looking for a better solution that can help you with a natural solution, I hope this review can help you. Before I start talking more about the product, I need to make an important warning. You need to be careful with the site that will buy the Unity supplement. The product is only sold on the official website. But here on the internet, there are many fake links with products that is not the original. To help you, we leave the link to the official website below in the description of this video, so you will be safe. And if you choose to buy Unity, you will make the purchase safely. To begin with, you need to understand what is in the Unity supplement. According to the official website, Unity is a powerful weight loss formula that is made with antioxidant extracts and is scientifically developed to detoxify your body and improve the results of weight loss. It kicks the fat-burning effects of your body by stimulating your potential that is dormant in you. According to the manufacturer's website, it is composed of fresh source of naturally available high-quality extracts, made accurately following strict safety standards. The producer claims that the supplement is antibiotic-free, gluten-free and GMO-free. Unity product is a natural detoxifying blend of vegetable ingredients. The powerful antioxidant can detoxify your body and improve your metabolism to provide a healthy weight loss. The supplement helps increase the body's natural ability to control its health with a healthy heart and keeps you energetic. The formula works for men and women, regardless of age, with its powerful blend gently. The product is a 100% natural and safe formulation that provides effective weight loss results and also supports your overall health. But, what are the benefits of using Unity? You can lose weight in a healthy and safe way. No chemicals added to the product and no side effects reported so far. It can detox your body by eliminating toxins. It improves metabolism and increases the fat-burning process. It is a supplement is easy and convenient to use. You can stay away from stress, workout hours, strict diets and inappropriate clothing. It can support healthy heart functions, increased vitality, energy and confidence. There is also an important 60-day money-back guarantee that supports your investment and makes you feel more comfortable to return the product if you don't like it. But for Unity supplement to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take 2 capsules a day with dinner and a glass of water, or else you will not see great results, and you will really get a little frustrated. But, what are the ingredients added to the supplement? Well, there is a list of natural extracts that make up the formula of the Unity supplement. After researching, we find that they are available in daily food intake. 1. L-tyrosine helps improve your metabolic rate to eliminate excess fats. 2. Sifsandra. The ingredients of this plant help improve resistance to disease and stress. It also improves energy, physical performance and endurance. 3. Ashwagandha. The antioxidants present support weight loss and general well-being. It increases metabolism, prevents inflammation and burns fat efficiently. 4. Bladderwrack. This herb can control obesity, arthritis, and prevents hardening of arthritis. It also stimulates your immune system and improves energy. 5. Cayenne pepper. This ingredient improves your metabolism and burns more calories. 6. Kelp. Kelp has nutrients with low fat and calories that stimulate weight loss, blocking the accumulation of fat in the gut region. It is really important that I warn you that Unity is not suitable for pregnant and lactating women. If you are already under medication, you should consult your doctor before using this supplement. And if you like the product, you should buy it only on the official website of the Unity supplement. I really hope this video has helped you. And I also hope that Unity will really help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your life. It really is a great product with incredible health benefits. I'll stick around until the next video on our channel The Best for You. Bye.